Hi guys, in today's class we'll be studying about the histology of the blood vessel. Okay, histology of blood vessel. In last class we studied about the large arteries or elastic arteries. In this class we'll be studying about the histology of the medium size arteries. Okay, medium size artery, medium size artery, also known as muscular artery. Muscular artery. Okay, so first I'll be telling you what are the arteries. What are the arteries included in the muscular arteries? So you'll be having carotid artery, popliteal artery, and circle of Willis. Okay, so these are your arteries which are included under muscular arteries. So the main difference between the large artery, also known as elastic artery, okay, and the muscular artery or medium size artery is only in the tunica media. Okay, only the tunica media. So in the large artery also has elastic arteries. So basically these are elastic arteries, means they'll have more elastic fibers. This will have more elastic fibers. This will have more muscular artery, so they will have more muscles. It is smooth muscles in the tunica media. So I'll just draw and show you. Like, it's very easy. Okay, so first here your so let me draw and show you. So this is your, obviously this will be from your lumen side. This is your lumen. So this is your vessel wall. Okay, so I'm telling you from the lumen, to periphery. Okay, so I'll just draw and show you all the layers of that. Okay, so here from lumen to periphery you will have endothelial cells. Okay, these are your endothelial cells which make the endothelium. These endothelial cells lie on the membrane, this basement membrane. Okay, and you may also have subendothelial connective tissue. Okay, and this hole is known as tunica intima. Okay, next comes the tunica media. So in tunica media you'll be having your mostly your smooth muscles. Said you right. This is a muscular arteries, medium size arteries, so you'll have mostly smooth muscles. Okay, and you'll have very little plastic fibers, like random here and there, very little. And so as you go from the large artery to muscular artery, or you can say from elastic artery to muscular artery. So in large artery, elastic arteries, you'll have more elastic fibers, and in muscular arteries, you'll have less elastic fibers. As compared to that, you'll have more muscles, elastic fibers. Okay, they get concentrated like into laminas. Okay, so the inner lamina is known as internal elastic lamina. The outer lamina is the external elastic lamina. Okay, next it comes your tunica adventitia. So tunica adventitia, as same like your large arteries, will have vasa vasorum. Okay, these are your vasa vasorum, and you will have your nerves like autonomic nerves, or you can say sympathetic nerves. You may also have collagen. Okay, collagen, you'll have fibroblast cells with some fibers. So this whole thing is known as your tunica adventitia. So here you saw the only differences. Here you'll have more smooth muscle cells. Okay, and here the smooth muscle cells are concentrated at the edges to form the elastic fibers. Okay, this is the only difference. So in this class we studied about the muscular artery. Okay, in the next class we'll be studying about the arterioles. Okay, meta-arterioles, your capillaries and veins. Okay, so this thing we'll be studying in the next class. It will be the last lecture on that. So so any doubts, anything, just put on the comment box, and that's it. Thank you.